So you walk in, you have the closet, some shelving. Over here you have the washroom. Small but works. Looks like they've been redone. A little shower. You can come out. It's got a full length mirror. Couch. Desk area. We've got some cookies because we're diamond, I think. Our cups for a refreshment package. That's where they'll be if you get one. Me. Some more storage, safe, bed, table, and then the best part, the balcony. So this is a really big balcony. It's at the back corner of most Royal Caribbean ships. You don't pay any extra for it. You just have to book it in time, and we try and get it every time. There's no loungers on here right now, but we'll ask for some. You just get this nice big balcony, and what's good is you can also see out the back of the ship as well. So that's the room for it.